Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Go Highlevel to Zapier. This integration is incredibly powerful because it allows you to automate your workflow by connecting Go Highlevel with thousands of other apps, saving you time and ensuring your data flows seamlessly between platforms. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all the magic happens. Now look for the Zapier button and click on it. This is where you'll start building your automation. A Zap is essentially a workflow that connects two or more apps together, and we're about to create one that links Go Highlevel with another platform. Next, click on the trigger button. The trigger is the event that starts your automation, so it's crucial to set this up correctly. In the search bar that appears, type in and select Lead Connector by Go Highlevel. This is the official Go Highlevel integration within Zapier. You'll now need to choose a trigger event. For this tutorial, select Pipeline Stage Changed. This trigger activates whenever a contact moves to a different stage in your Go Highlevel pipeline, which is perfect for tracking progress and automating follow-up actions. After selecting your trigger event, you'll see a prompt to sign in to your Go Highlevel account. Click Sign In, and you'll need to paste your Go Highlevel API key. To find this, open Go Highlevel in another tab, navigate to Settings, then Company Settings, then API key, and click Copy. Paste this key into Zapier to establish the connection. Once connected, select your specific Go Highlevel sub-account from the drop-down menu that appears. This ensures Zapier is pulling data from the correct account if you manage multiple. Click Continue, and now it's time to test the trigger. Zapier will attempt to pull sample data from Go Highlevel. To make this work, you might need to submit a test form or move a contact through your pipeline stages in Go Highlevel. This step confirms that Zapier can successfully receive data from your Go Highlevel account. Give it a moment to process and retrieve that information. Now we move to the action part of your Zap. Click the Action button, then use the search bar to find and select Google Sheets. This is where your Go Highlevel data will be sent. Choose an action event such as Create Spreadsheet Row. This action will add a new row to your Google Sheet every time the trigger fires, keeping all your data organized and accessible. Next, you'll need to connect or sign in to your Google Sheets account. Zapier will guide you through the authorization process to access your spreadsheets. Once connected, you'll be able to select which specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. Now comes the mapping stage, which is where you tell Zapier exactly what information to send to Google Sheets. You'll see fields from Go Highlevel like name, email, phone number, and so on. Drag or match these fields to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. This ensures that the right data ends up in the right place. Before going live, click Test Action to verify that data flows correctly. Zapier will attempt to create a test row in your Google Sheet. Check your spreadsheet to confirm everything looks accurate. Finally, once you're satisfied with the test, click Publish and toggle your Zap to On. Your automation is now live and will run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs in Go Highlevel. You've successfully connected Go Highlevel to Zapier and automated your workflow between platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.